Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Big TV. Today, let me introduce you to our guest. Okay, so my mom-in-law came visiting. Yeah, so sorry, my mom came visiting. So this is my mom. Daddy, say hi. Can I hi?
Hi.
I should come in.
Hi.
Yeah, so this is my mom. She came visiting, and today she said I should plait her hair. So after washing, we've done washing, and we are plaiting normal twists. Yeah. For your information, I didn't learn this in the salon. Why? This is self-taught hairdresser. I'm a self-taught hairdresser. Yeah. This is natural hair, and it's difficult to work on it when it's dry. So after washing, it was damp dry before I started twisting. By getting to the end of it, it's kind of dry, and it's difficult when you are parting it, or it's painful when you are parting it. So yeah, I got my water for some else. So you just have to spread some water inside so that it won't be painful when you are working on it, and your clients won't feel that pain. Yeah. So guys, when I open my salon, you can come in. You'll be my client, but for now, my mother is my client. So let's get to it. So I'm doing a normal twisting. Yes, after taking a sizable portion, you detangle it. I've detangled it nicely, and then you divide it into two. Then you just turn it over, and then you twist. You twist and turn, yeah, like that. Yeah, so you see it coming out nicely. How tight you want it, you do it. So I don't want it too tight, so I've loosened it a bit, so it's not too tight over here. And when you are done, it will just be a bit bouncy. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You just repeat the steps. Today I've gotten a model. I used to do this on my own challenge, but doing it on somebody's hair is quite simple. Yeah. So after washing, you can just put in any pomade of your choice, whatever you've been using to pomade your hair. Nothing special. So if you use shea butter, do that. Anything you use inside your hair, that's fine. So guys, I've been wondering why when they are plaiting the hair, they start from the back. I don't know the rationale, but me too, when I was plaiting, I started from the back anyway. So you just have to take the portions in a way that after it, like you have a neat work done. Yeah. So mine looks like it's following a line pattern like this. Yeah. So line by line. So this line, yeah. So any and it's squared. Some people will do triangle at the base. Some people will do rectangle and all the shapes. So this is just something to while away time. So this is not too small, and it's not too big, and I'm not that fast. So it can take some time, and at times it depends on the hair. Some people have bulky hair, others their hair is very scanty, so just a little way and then you are done. But this one looks a bit bulky. taking some portion to try. This one is trying, and plate some cornrow here. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm taking that portion. Tight as I expected. Well, we'll take it like that. Ooh, everything. This simple way someone is doing it from afar, but actually, when you put your hands to it, you realize it's not that simple. Well, I do practice, like it will come. Yeah, it's been a long time I practiced. I don't get clients. Officially done. I tried some small cornrow at the edge. Hope I've tried. Yeah, self-taught cornrow. Yeah. So we are done. Guys, what do you think? This is today. Me and my mom some free time in the house, washing and some twisting and some. Guys, we are done. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, comment, like, and share. Yeah, we out.